Welcome to this short and practical course on how to design your own portfolio using Photoshop. In less than 2 hours, you will learn how to create a clean and professional portfolio, perfect for architects, designers, and creatives who want to present their work with confidence. We will start by designing a strong cover page, and then we will walk through the process of creating sample layout pages. You will learn how to use rulers and guides for better composition, how to choose and edit fonts, how to build a color palette, and how to arrange images, objects, and text to tell your story effectively. Whether you are applying for a job, preparing for grad school, or simply want to build a personal showcase of your work, this course will give you a solid foundation. All you need is a basic knowledge of Photoshop and, of course, your passion and creativity. Let's get started!